There is an Enter the security stamp, that is 16 plus 17 equals 33. Once you are done, hit the login button below. You will not be able to log in instead. The following dialog box will appear. You are required to enter a new password and confirm the same password. You will also see some guidelines on creating a strong password in red. Let me create a new password. As you create your password, it must adhere to guidelines given. You will see a green success notification. Retype the same password to confirm. Once you are done, hit the update button below. The following notification appears on your screen. That password changed successfully. Kindly log in. I will now log in using my new password. Enter the username, which is your TS number. Type in the password you just created. I will also reset this later on because of security issues. Key in the security step, that is 12 plus 6 equals 18. Hit the login button below. You will land on your TPAY home screen as shown.